Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to clear your shopping cart in Shopee. To delete or remove an item from your shopping cart in Shopee is super easy. First of all, open up a web browser and type in shopee.com and log into your account. Once you're in the home page of Shopee, go to the top right corner and mouse over to your shopping cart. Now, the products that you've added to the cart will be displayed. To view your shopping cart more clearly, click on View My Shopping Cart button and all of the products that you've added to your cart will be displayed. To delete a product from the cart or to clear the cart, you can simply go ahead and select the item and click the delete button right next to them. If you want to clear out your cart altogether, simply scroll a bit down and click on Select All and click on Delete. Confirm that you want to clear out your cart by clicking Yes, and that's how you easily clear out your shopping cart in Shopee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopee tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.